Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Klein CL810 auto ranging digital clamp meter. This meter is fully backlit. I'll turn the light off so you can see. Even the dial's backlit. And it does have a built-in work light. Included in the package was a thermocouple, test leads, carry case, instruction manual. And here's the packaging if you want to pause the video and take a closer look. We'll take a closer look at this meter and go review its features. I'm not going to do a full review and cover everything because I haven't had any field time with it, but again, here's the spec sheet if you want to pause the video. But one thing I noticed about this meter straight out of the package was the rubber grip on the side. It kind of feels like it's the same rubber grip that's on the Klein screwdriver, so I really like that. Another thing I liked that was a big selling point was the backlight. I don't know if you can see it. Turn the light off. But it's fully backlit, even the dial. So I really like that. But I got a power strip set up here, and we'll do a few tests. We'll probably do a voltage check, continuity, and maybe a temperature check. Like I said, I'm just doing a quick overview of this meter. I haven't had any field time with it, so I want to keep this video short and to the point. But we'll do a voltage check. 124. So that's pretty consistent. And we'll switch over and do a continuity check on this fuse here. So that's that. And switch over to temperature and put the thermocouple in. It's about 72 degrees in here, so we'll see how that reads. Yeah, that's actually pretty damn close. I think I have the thermostat set on 72. Another thing this meter does is non-contact voltage. You actually just hold the button down here and it'll show you right there. So that's how that works. It's built into the tip here. But overall, it's a pretty neat meter, and after I have more time with it, we'll probably do a more in-depth review. But again, this is the Klein CL810. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.